Do you drive every day? But do you understand how car engines work? After watching this video, I believe you will feel more confident behind the wheel. When you turn the ignition key, the starter motor, powered by the battery, engages a gear that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, which then spins the engine. This is similar to how you would manually crank a tractor. The starter connects to the engine's gears, transmitting power to the crankshaft and starting the engine. Once the engine starts, the pistons move within the cylinders, converting the expanding gas into mechanical energy. This energy is transferred through the piston rod and connecting rod to the crankshaft. As an example, consider a four-stroke engine. In short, the four-stroke process, which includes intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, requires 2 rotations of the crankshaft to complete one cycle. In the engine shown in the video, the exhaust valve is on the left and the intake valve is on the right. Intake stroke. The intake valve opens, the exhaust valve closes, and the downward movement of the piston creates a vacuum that draws the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. The air-fuel ratio is typically around 14.71 because fuel cannot burn efficiently on its own. It requires approximately 14.7 grams of air, specifically the oxygen within the air, to burn 1 gram of fuel. Compression stroke. Both the intake and exhaust valves close, and the piston moves upward, compressing the air-fuel mixture inside the cylinder. When the piston reaches the top, the mixture is compressed to less than 1/10 of its original volume, increasing pressure and causing the air and fuel molecules to collide, raising the temperature. Combustion, power stroke. A spark plug ignites the highly compressed air-fuel mixture. This causes a rapid explosion that dramatically increases the pressure within the cylinder. The resulting force drives the piston downward, converting the explosive energy into mechanical energy that rotates the crankshaft. Exhaust stroke. The intake valve closes, the exhaust valve opens, and the piston moves upward, expelling the exhaust gases from the cylinder through the exhaust valve. These 4 strokes form a complete cycle. If a car is traveling at 100 yards per hour, approximately 91 meters per hour, at around 3,000 revolutions per minute, the crankshaft is rotating 50 times per second. The crankshaft rotates twice for each 4-stroke cycle. A 3-cylinder engine will have 25 power strokes per second, while a 4-cylinder engine will have 100 power strokes per second. Therefore, avoid aggressively using the throttle while driving. It's not just bad for your engine, but also very fuel inefficient. Did you learn something new? Like and follow for a discussion on turbocharging in the video on screen.